All right, class, we're doing great. Thanks for your participation. So right now we're going to learn a new grammar rule. We've been working a lot with present tense verbs. These are some of the verbs that you're already familiar with. And today we're going to talk about past tense. So we're going to learn how to change regular present tense verbs into past tense verbs, which is very simple. The rule is that when you have a present tense verb like add, you will add ed to the end. Added. Now it is past tense. Each of these verbs is a present tense verb, and each one we will add ed to make it past tense. Asked, called, counted, dressed, dropped. We'll come back to that word. Ended, helped, kicked, prayed, smelled, talked, and walked. Now, the reason I wanted to come back to this word, if you'll notice, I had to add a P. If we don't add that P, the word would sound differently. It would be droped. I didn't droped anything. I dropped the ball. So we need the extra P added in there. So it's a regular verb, but it has a little condition to it. These are also regular verbs: bake, bounce, love, but they already end in E. So we don't want to add an extra E. That would also change the sound of it. If we added another E, it would be baked. We don't want that. So we only add the D if the word already ends in E. Baked, bounced, loved. Okay, so you're going to work in pairs. You're going to practice. Your partner will give you the regular tense verb, and then you will say the past, or they'll give you the present tense, and you will say the past tense. All right, and then later on, after we've worked through that, everyone's had a chance to practice, then we're going to have a writing assignment that will include you finding the correct verb and writing it in the past tense in the sentence. And your homework will be to use some past tense verbs in a conversation with a native speaker. So you're going to have to go out and find someone in the library, in the grocery store, in another class, at your work, and then you're going to report back on that. So class, go ahead and break off into your pairs and start to work with changing present tense into past tense. Thank you.